Welcome back, folks. I'm Jimmy of jdflutes. This here is a low elf drone I have for sale, and it's in stock today. And I'm going to let it go really low, folks, really low. And because I need to get it gone. And this is a beautiful sounding flute, folks. It looks amazing. It's been produced from cherry wood. This wood here is a hardwood. And it's a 6-hole drone. It's very easy on the mouth. It has an oil finish. Has my eagle fetishes with genuine turquoise eyes. On the bottom, jdflutes Special Series ELF 432 Hertz. Has an amazing voice, folks. It's very relaxing. beautiful. It's very relaxing. I'm going to let it go very low today, folks. Thank you so much for everything. I'll put the link below this video to where you can purchase it right away. It will ship out within 2 business days. Thank you so much.